Hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to produce another variation of a bun foot. So this one will have a different profile shape, but it's transitioning from a square profile section to a round profile section. This again will demonstrate why not all turning centers are created equal. So let's go get this done on Legacy CNC Turning Center. The blank for this bun foot is mounted into our turning center workstation using a 4-jaw chuck. As you can see, we've opened up the dust manifold brushes during the cutting demonstration. All the cutters shown throughout this demonstration are from magnate.net. To eliminate any possible tear out on the square profile section, we had to switch between two cutters. The surfacing cutter quickly roughs out the material, and then a plunge flat roundover cutter performs the beaded cut. You may notice that on one edge it cuts in a climb mill direction, and then it switches to the opposite cut direction for the other side. Afterwards, we switch to the surfacing cutter again to finish roughing and turning the blank round, but also to cut the precision joinery on the square end of the blank. All the cutting techniques shown throughout this demonstration were programmed using Legacy's Conversational CAM Pro software. This software gives Legacy customers the ability to create unlimited turning possibilities. Well, that was pretty awesome. I hope you enjoyed that. If you would like to see what a Legacy CNC can do for your woodworking capabilities or business applications, feel free to visit our website at lwmcnc.com. You can also talk to a CNC expert by calling 801-491-0010. Now, if you would like to see more cutting demonstrations like these, feel free to click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box. I think you know what to do. As always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.